Hello everyone, my name is Ritika Upadhyay. As a current time student pursuing my bachelor degree in history science, I am so much excited for applying as a teacher in on an academy platform. I I think I would be the excellent fit as a teacher on an academy. Um, I have a strong biology background as I secured 86th rank in JCECB exam and qualified BHU entrance exam and MNS exam. I have more than 2 years experience on offline coaching, offline teaching mode. Uh, that make me help to develop some variable skills like communication skills, empathy, and confidence, and doubt clearing, reality, and uh, and many more, just like patience, that would enable me to deliver complex concept to students easily and make them understand uh, efficiently. I believe that my passion for teaching and interest in biology make me the suitable candidate. From childhood, I have been drawn to teaching, and I think an academy will give me the platform and opportunity to teach, and I look forward to contributing my knowledge and expertise uh, to students to an academic community. This is about myself. Now moving to the next. Here I saw the my 100-hour plan, which I will covering throughout. This table shows that first is about genetics. Genetics is divided into two chapters. That the first one is Mendelian genetics and second is molecular genetics. Mendelian genetics, as Mendelian genetics about Mendelian's law, that Mendel's law about the law of dominance, law of codominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment, and Mendelian disorders. The second is molecular genetics. This is about the DNA replication, transcription, translation, DNA double helical structure, and many more. The second is about unit biotechnology. Biotechnology unit is divided into two chapters. First is about the basic principle, and second is about its application in various fields. The third is ecology. Ecology unit is divided into four chapters. The first one is organism and population, ecosystem, biodiversity and its conservation, and fourth one is environmental issues. Now the fourth one, reproduction unit. Reproduction unit is about the divided into three chapters, that is reproduction in plants, that asexual, sexual and vegetative propagation. Second is animals, sexual, asexual, and third one is reproductive health, that how we should maintain reproductive health, that from which help us to be prevent from STDs. The fifth one is evolution, that how human evolve eras to eras, and the sixth one is biology and human welfare. Seven one is human physiology. Human physiology unit contains seven chapters, and in NEET, more about the 12 to 15 questions come from this unit. This unit contains chapters like first one is digestion and absorption. In this chapter, we read it about the how the digestion takes place and absorbed in our body through various glands. Second is breathing and exchange of gases, how we exhale, inhale. Third is body fluids and circulation, the types of body fluids present in human body and how the blood circulates throughout the body. Fourth one is selective products and their elimination, the waste products, how they is created from the body. Fifth one is locomotion and movement. Sixth one is neural control and coordination, that how our brain coordinate with other organs. And the last one is chemical control and coordinate, that how hormone control and coordinate with the other organs. Um, right now, I am only focusing about human blood group. Let's start with the human blood group. Here, I am only just only describing the blood group. As NCRT is a Bible in for neatism, so here my slides are my slides are refer from the NCRT book. Here it written that human blood grouping is discovered by Cal Skinner. Yeah, he discovered the human blood grouping system. There are the four types of human blood grouping system, that is blood group A, blood group B, blood group O, and blood group AB. Two types of grouping used all over the world, that is ABO and RH. Here I'm only discussing about the blood group, so I will concentrate only on ABO blood grouping. Now ABO blood grouping. ABO blood grouping is based on the presence or absence uh, of two surface like antigens. Antigens are those chemicals that induce immune response. They are present on RBCs, namely A and B. Similarly, the plasma of different individual, which contains two natural antibodies. Antibodies are the proteins. Here it written that antigens are chemicals, but antibodies are proteins. Antibodies are proteins that produce in response to antigens. It means that if antigens invaded in our body, that antibodies produce to response against antigens, and they are present on plasma. We can conclude the difference between antigen and antibodies, that antibodies are present on IBC and antibodies are present on plasma. Now moving to next, that is about the blood group and donor compatibility. Here table shows there are different columns. That first column is about the blood group, second is antigens which is present on RBC, and third one is antibodies which is present in plasma, and the fourth one is donor group, which blood group is able to donate to a specific blood group. The first is about the A blood group. A blood group has antigen A, antibody anti-A, and donor blood group A and blood group O. Now moving to next, that is blood group B. Having antigen B, antibody anti-A, and donor blood group B and blood group O. The next blood group is blood group AB, having antigen A and B. Antibodies nil, means has no antibody, and the donor blood group AB, A, B, and O. Now last, the blood group O have no antigen, it means nil, and antibodies, antibody, anti-A, and anti-B. Donor blood group is O. Let us concluding all the slides. We can conclude that the universal donor, we can donate to all the blood group, that is blood group O, and universal recipient, which can receive blood group from any blood group, that is blood group AB. Here the basic conclusion. This is from my side. Hope you like it. Thank you.